Venerable Barsanuphius the Great. An Egyptian ascetic, Saint Barsanuphius lived in strict reclusion for over 50 years, guiding countless souls through written correspondence, a heads up in the spirit of transparency. Please be advised that this content may include ascetic extremes. In the latter half of the 5th century, a man named Barsanuphius was born in Egypt. From his youth, he sought a life dedicated to prayer and solitude, choosing to dwell as a hermit in the vast Egyptian desert. This initial period of ascetic struggle prepared him for a deeper commitment to Christ. His path led him from Egypt to Palestine, where he found a spiritual home at the monastery of Abba-Seritas, located near Gaza. It was here that Barsanuphius embraced a profound form of monasticism, strict reclusion. He entered a small cell, sealing himself off from the world, and there he remained for over 50 years. During this half-century, his life was an unbroken offering of prayer and fasting, a continuous striving towards God. He did not emerge from his cell until the time of his repose, which occurred around the year 540. After some years, another elder, Saint John, known as the Prophet, came to reside in a nearby cell. Saint John, possessing deep spiritual insight, became a disciple and co-laborer with Barsanuphius. Though their physical cells were separate, their spirits were united, living in complete accord and spiritual communion. Saint John maintained his own reclusion for 18 years until his death, which preceded that of Barsanuphius. For their shared life of asceticism and spiritual guidance, they are commemorated together by the Church. Though enclosed, Saints Barsanuphius and John did not withdraw entirely from the needs of the world. Instead, they engaged in a unique ministry of spiritual counsel through written correspondence. Monks, clergy, and lay people from various regions grappling with questions concerning the spiritual life would write to the elders. Abba-Seritas, the abbot of the monastery, served as the intermediary, delivering these questions to the recluses and returning their written responses. This collection, comprising over 800 questions and answers, became a profound spiritual text known as the Great and All-Edifying Book of the Holy Elders Barsanuphius and John. The teachings contained within these letters form a cornerstone of orthodox spiritual guidance. A central theme emphasized by both elders was the absolute necessity of humility. They taught that without humility, true spiritual progress is unattainable. Hand in hand with humility, they stressed the cutting off of one's own will. This act of surrendering personal reasoning and desires to the will of God, as revealed through Holy Scripture and the guidance of a spiritual father, was presented as essential for inner transformation. Their writings offered practical counsel for the unseen warfare, the spiritual struggle against the passions. They guided individuals in discerning thoughts, distinguishing between those that lead to life and those that lead to spiritual harm. They also underscored the importance of heartfelt prayer as a continuous breath of the soul. The spiritual legacy of Saints Barsanuphius and John extended through their disciples. Most notably, Saint Dorotheus of Gaza, who later became a renowned spiritual father himself, carefully collected and preserved their letters. Saint Dorotheus's own extensive writings and teachings were profoundly shaped by the wisdom he received from his spiritual fathers, Barsanuphius and John. Their lives stand as a testament to the power of unwavering asceticism and the enduring impact of spiritual wisdom offered with humility and discernment.